apart from the place my soul remembers, clear and bright. I am lost, but I am calling to your light. Make me closer in your light, guide my steps from wrong to right. Wash these eyes so they can see every mercy over me, over me, over me. Hold me gently when I fall, teach my tongue to say it all. Only you can heal this heart, bring me nearer where you are. Every quiet whisper, every hidden tear, you have always counted. You were always near, still I chase